mesre I think say edu state bi wa near people here no a lot of parents are guilty of that obiara odi ne ba wo ye be ma odi oba ba adware oba ba wo ye be ma na oba be di 10 years 11 years me tiwe me wife wu ye no me baba no 12 years wo show of bia ne chi ni ne form okra no na we di 12 years na ofe bia hye adware na me ra ho se me su bi ko dware me ko dware ya in law no that thing is not public into no so be try the video but too public and then I'll be guilty but morally is it good to me no it's obscene because who be ma akwala we 12 years be ma who dira ho no hwe be ma wo nim no o baba no be den e be hwe enu ma me mo so na mo to ya kese na mo so mo ma boys what I say mo ba boys e bi obi wa ne ba boy 6 years 7 na o ma me woni ni ehye edem dware na wo ro ho na akwara no so ro na wodi ka dware no uto dware ni wie ye no wo bo se fere da no ho se wo butu ho aye we no se akwara no papa me ka some say morally no you can say obscenity who corrupt nkwara no it is that behavior no we should stop going naked at the bathroom. That's the point I'm making.
What's the papa?
Papa said, I'm being real.
What do you mean? You just said we should stop going naked
at the bathroom.
Why do you go to the bathroom?
What do you do?
No, we for children.
Finish your statement.
That's my statement.
Leampa is making a very good point.
Making a very good point, but where he's limiting it is where I have an issue.
The only problem is his presentation.
You know,
it's making a very valid point.
If you are saying, say, naturally, no, in a home, at a certain stage, in Kolenia, you need to say cut out because exposure I can get it, but when you are limiting it to bathroom, no.
Say bathroom.
So if I do not bath, me ba in dare, but me say me ho fear because me say me ho I don't start with full dress. Okay. It's a process.
No. What Leampa is saying is that as I will buy the 10 years.
Yes,
you don't have to be going naked in front of a
parent. He's limiting it to bathroom.
No, that is not a problem.
I'm talking about bathroom.
Whether it's bathroom or it's where.
That's where we go naked.
Yes.
Bathroom, bathroom most of the time. But I'm saying that if bathroom is naked, the same way say only bathroom crana. Go naked. You was single room. What I say? Na your manu and I so. What I say? Your manu and you. Your manu and oh, please, I'm coming. With you, look, when I came to this show to educate.
Yes.
And in my education, we say, Sir Oba Naye, na only oyere so.
A crime.
Only you so. Na Oba no so. On the do but otete mu a.
Charlie. Lawyer, what do you talk about?
Land. Oba no etete mu a. Yawo etete mu a. Or committee in law, what we call sexual nuisance. Yes. Yes.
Charlie.
I'm not saying that it's a criminal offense. Listen to me. No, you're criminal and civil.
Okay.
The law of thought is wrong.
The law
it's wrong like when you're making love. It's wrong say when you're making love you
don't shout.
No.
Hey,
wait.
No. Over too much did you hope, but men did.
What's my example? What's the difference between the Jimune?
Tio. Only Oyere at the demo. Now, Obinso at the demo. Plywood at the demo. Now, more happy sexual. In Pano, Chuku Chaka. Na Obano, Ajayi. Ukumio, you know, the next neighbor, no, to me now.
Yes.
Now, sex more sound now. Who take telephone with so we are. You see, what is nuisance? Noise making. Nuisance in law is not making, and everybody must have the right to have peaceful enjoyment.
We are changing the subject.
No.
Let's stick it to the room with the kids.
I'm saying that all those things, amount to civil wrong. And you say when I said it, I said it on Peace FM. People challenge me. Then all of a sudden in UK, what the Obi court say, or the landlord court, tenant, the landlord court say, anytime and the landlord they say they didn't have sex now, or anything. When they say you find a landlord, no.
I understand that.
Back to you.
Someone can move to the another.
You.